Hey amazing people! Welcome back to MKIRIKACHA TV, the home of thriving gardens and unstoppable harvests. Before we dive into today's juicy secrets, smash that like button and subscribe if you haven't already. Because what I'm about to reveal will save your tomatoes from a disaster you didn't even see coming. Also, tell me where you're watching from in the comments. I love seeing our garden family from all corners of the world. Let's get talking! Alright, let's talk about something that frustrates many gardeners. Tomato flower abortion. Sounds serious, right? Because it is. Flower abortion is when your beautiful tomato flowers fall off before they even get a chance to become juicy, delicious tomatoes. It's like the plant says, no babies for me. But why does this happen? Let's break it down. First culprit, extreme temperatures. If it gets too hot, over 30 degrees Celsius or 86 degrees Fahrenheit, or too cold, your tomato plants panic and drop the flowers. They're basically saying, it's too risky to have fruits now. The second silent enemy? Poor pollination. No bees, no wind, no fruit. If pollen doesn't move, the flowers give up. Sometimes all it takes is a gentle morning shake to help nature out. Number 3. And gardeners rarely see this coming. Too much nitrogen fertilizer. Yes, instead of fruits your plant gets greedy, growing endless leaves, and dumping the flowers. Use a fertilizer that's lower in nitrogen, but higher in phosphorus and potassium. And if you think you're watering right, think again. Both underwatering and overwatering stress your tomatoes so badly they abort flowers to survive. Water deeply and consistently. Not too dry, not waterlogged. Before I reveal the ultimate pro tip, the one that will shock you, smash that like button and subscribe right now. Trust me, you don't want to miss what's coming next. And hey, drop a comment and tell me where you're watching from. I want to shout out some of you in the next video. Ready for it? The final shocking secret to ending flower abortion is pruning and spacing your plants properly. Yup, overcrowded tomatoes don't just compete for food, they block each other's airflow and sunlight. Poor air means poor pollination, which leads to flower abortion. Thin out the jungle and your tomatoes will breathe, bloom, and bear fruits like crazy. That's it, champions. Now you know why your tomato flowers were falling, and more importantly, how to fix it. If you found this helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to MKIRIKACHA TV. Your garden will thank you. And don't forget to comment where you're watching from. Let's grow this amazing community together. Until next time, keep planting, keep thriving, and keep smiling.